Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the auto-playing of videos on your Facebook newsfeed. Turning this option off will save a lot of your mobile data. Open up Facebook and tap on the menu button at the top right. Then scroll down and open Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Now you are in the settings, scroll all the way down to the Media and Contacts section and open it up. From here, tap on the Autoplay option. Now tap on Never Autoplay Videos. Or you could also choose to only autoplay when connected to Wi-Fi in order to save your mobile data. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.